Hello, my holiday slot-loving friends, and thanks so much for joining us for yet another game review, where we're taking a look at Santa's World Wild Train online slot from our good friends at High Five Games. Players head for the North Pole in this 5x5 slot by landing 2 reindeer with a sleigh and a present, triggering the Wild Train feature with walking symbols and respins. This game comes with high volatility, 25 ways to win, free spins, and a jackpot worth up to 2,000 times your total bet. Learn more about Santa's World Wild Train when you visit the full review at online.casinocity.com. And once you're on that website, you'll have access to hundreds and hundreds of additional game reviews, plus special offers and bonus information. Just follow the direct link that's been left for you below this video in the descriptive area.